About a year ago, I wasn't feeling very well. I'd been diagnosed with hip dysplasia, waiting for a hip replacement. I was in an awful lot of pain and wasn't sleeping well at all. And I happened to see your Fruci Fit comments and a cheery face on Facebook talking about the classes available for ladies just like myself that wanted to get mobile again and get moving. So I thought, well, why not? I was feeling sorry for myself, sat on the sofa in pain. I knew I had to do something, I had to try and get moving. And so that's why when I contacted you. I initially came to classes with a view to just trying to build my strength up and do what I could and not feel under any pressure, considering my hip joint wasn't moving properly, and your staff and the other trainers were brilliant in adapting exercises for me to do so that I could enjoy the workout and get something out of it, but at the same time not feel pressured that I was going to hurt myself because I was in so much pain at the time. I used to do at home during my recuperation, and then when I started to come back into classes 6 weeks later, once again the coaches were great in modifying exercises for me to help me build up my strength and improve each time I came along. I've made lots of friends. The exercises have made me feel stronger and fitter, whereas before going up and down the stairs carrying heavy things, my legs were feeling quite weak, mainly from before with the needing a hip replacement. I had a bit of muscle loss and strength loss, but now it's all come back and I'm feeling really good from that. I really look forward to the sessions, and I love the variety. I love the fact, for me, coming in early in the morning, get it done, and then I know for the rest of the day I've been and done my exercise and I can enjoy the rest of the day. I've been to regular gyms where sometimes, depending on what you're doing, there is quite a bit of pressure. So I needed a gentle approach. And I also like the fact that the studios were quite intimate and ladies only. Just seeing the complete cross-section of ladies that come to this, I was heartened to think that no matter what level you're at, the exercises were adapted for you and that you could feel that you fitted in. You didn't feel that the spotlight was on you. I'd say give it a go. You've got to try. Our bodies are aging, and perhaps you're somebody that the children have now flown a nest, and you now need to be thinking about yourself. Don't just sit back and accept what Mother Nature is going to do to you. You can fight back. You can slow down, I believe, the signs of aging from the point of view of muscle strength, bone density, that sort of thing. And for me, it's really, I feel like I've got my life back.